Hi guys, I'm Suzanne from Backyard University, here to answer the question, what is the difference between oil-based stains and water-based stains for your deck? Well, they both give your deck color, which can range from a clear coating to a nice cedar and can be found in colors such as blues and reds. If you go with an oil-based stain like this one from Cabot, it will give the wood a glazed, somewhat shiny look, which is appealing to many. There are a few plus sides to oil-based paint. It is more durable than water-based, so if you're staining a high traffic area, it may be a good choice. Both provide protection from UV rays and moisture. Oil-based stains give richer, more vibrant colors to your decking area, and the stain can last up to 4 years, making it a big win. The downside to using oil is that it is a little bit more difficult to apply than a water-based because it is a little sticky. It has a longer dry time than a water-based stain, up to 48 hours, so you may need to check the weather so your hard work doesn't go to waste. And when applying an oil-based stain, even outside the smell is quite strong, and wearing a mask is highly recommended. The dry time can increase if you live in humid climates. Also, cleanup is much more intense. You'll most likely need something like a mineral oil or a paint thinner. A water-based stain offers many benefits as well. When applying a water-based, you will not get the same shine as you do with an oil, which is appealing to many. It's easier to apply, which is great, especially if it's your first time staining. And the drying time is quick. For some formulas, just an hour, and up to 24 hours, but it does need some time to cure before you throw the party. Give it around 72 hours. It is not as durable as oil-based stains and will fade faster, making you restain about every 2 years. Hopefully this clears up your questions on oil versus water-based stains. If you have any other backyard concerns or questions, please feel free to click the link below and check out some of our other videos, or feel free to check out our website at backyarduniversity.org. We've also supplied a link below to the mentioned products.